Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are fine. Guys, if you are just seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Priscilla. Here we do lifestyle video. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more amazing video like this. Guys, today is Saturday and guys, I just finished washing these clothes and I'm about to spread them. So guys, yeah, today is kind of, I don't know, as if it wants to rain. I'm just taking, risk of hanging the clothes outside. Maybe just touch and small, then I'll just bring it in.
Remember when you said
It is my bro, look at the way it's simple. So guys, it's time for us to make dinner. Guys, we'll be making assorted rice, yeah. So I've already prepped everything. I've already prepped my meat, everything.
Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Somebody trillions of naira dollars system. Because what have we been talking about? CBN has been telling you, especially during the scarcity of the market, that they had a lot of money in the system, but we're not seeing it as Nigerians. Because this program, where is this money? As of about 3 weeks ago, CBN said it has $5 billion in the system, in the banks. And the banks say they don't have this money. So where is it? So it's something that we must look into. Somebody just said yesterday that there are ways in which you can trace this money back to the people. I think we should go and
The blockchain system, it also has a lot of traceability.
yeah, we should go and look for that man who knows how to help us to find it. Because our money is somewhere. And that's why I keep saying,
wanna let you go. Got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all this fade away? Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white.